Here's another video. As you can see, there you are. And the way we do it is pretty simple, to be fair. Would use basically DPF sensors out, socket 22, buy these on Amazon, about 10-15 quid. And then the sensors right here, as you can see. I've connected to the hot hose and I've put some really strong bleach. I've now got TFR in there. It's concentrated, and it's lovely DPF for you. So the DPF do get clogged up, obviously, because of these. And the best option would be to clean it that way. TFR is quite strong as well. I've used the bleach, which is only like £1.20 from Mazda. They're quite strong as well. Goes through all the holes in the DPF and clears it out. But yeah, that's exactly the result. And here we are, we're just going to pop some more in. As you can see, hot water. Obviously I do recommend turning the engine on when you pour the water in, because when you put the water in, you've got to make sure it doesn't flow back into the turbo and into the engine, which is going to cost you an engine. So be very, very careful in that sense. Just make sure that you do have the engine running at idle. Oh dear me.